Welcome to Zoho Writer's Silver Jubilee webinar. We are beyond excited to have you here as we take a trip through 2024, a landmark year for Zoho Writer. I'm Balaji, the host for this session, and I'm joined by Rohit today.
Thank you for the introduction, Balaji. You're absolutely right. This year wasn't just about launching features. It was about ensuring that Writer met your evolving needs, from helping you to manage complex workflows to personalizing your workspaces and integrating seamlessly with your tools. We have covered every angle to empower your work.
Exactly. That's what makes this recap so special. We'll not only showcase the new features, but also share how they make your day-to-day tasks easier, smarter, and more efficient. Let's get started.
And before we dive in, a few quick housekeeping notes. If you can hear us and see the screen, please give us a thumbs up using the reaction button below. For a better viewing experience, click the three dots at the bottom of your screen and select the sidebar layout. And also, we host these webinars every second Thursday of the month. The recording will be sent to all the registered attendees. If you have any questions, pop them in the Q&A pane, and we have Sam with us who will be helping us with addressing them throughout the webinar. And not to worry, we also have a dedicated Q&A session towards the end of the session.
Thanks for the detailed agenda, Rohit. Now let's dive into today's agenda and see how Zoho Writer has grown to meet your business needs this year.
Here's what we'll cover today. We'll explore how Zoho Writer has evolved into a powerful tool designed to meet the core need of your business, from simplifying document automation and enhancing workflow to offering seamless PDF editings. These features ensures that Writer adapts perfectly to your unique operational challenges. Next, we'll dive into how Writer becomes a smarter and more intuitive this year. With advanced AI tools like smart composing and plagiarism detection, alongside improving sharing capabilities, Writer makes your work faster, more accurate, and easier to collaborate on. Your business is unique, and Writer now reflects that. From custom fonts to industry-specific dictionaries, and even the ability to create your own extensions, we'll show you how you can make this Writer truly your own. Finally, we'll talk about Writer enhanced integration with other Zoho apps and third-party platforms. Whether it's merging data from Zoho Books or publishing it directly to WordPress, Writer seamlessly fits into your existing workflow to keep everything connected and streamlined.
That was a perfect introduction, Rohit. Let's kick things off by exploring how Zoho Writer has been tailored to address your business essentials. This year, we are focused on empowering businesses with tools that go beyond basic document creation. From editing PDFs directly in Writer, where no third-party tools are needed, to implementing real no-code automation for dynamic workflows. We have designed features to simplify your daily tasks. And with the new automation builders, businesses can define specific workflows for processes like certificate generation or deal approvals. And for those on the move or working in areas with low connectivity, our desktop and mobile applications now support full offline functionality, ensuring these features and how they are designed to streamline your operations. So in the slides ahead, we'll delve into them.
Balaji, now let's kick things off to explore a game changer in document management, our PDF editor. This allows you to edit PDFs directly. No need for any third-party tools. Whenever you are in the healthcare sector, updating patients' intake form without reformatting, or in a legal field, revising NDAs or contracts during live negotiations, this tool brings ease and flexibility to your workflow.
Exactly. You can make changes quickly without disrupting your formatting or switching between multiple tools. It's designed to save time and ensure that your documents stay professional, polished, and consistent, no matter what edits you need to make. And speaking of efficiency, let's move to a feature that's truly transformative for business workflows.
Yes, let's dive into one of my personal favorites, real no-code automation. This feature empowers you to set up a sophisticated workflow using formulas and conditional aggregate feeds.
To give you an example, imagine you're in a retail business and you're looking to create a dynamic inventory report that reflects real-time stock levels and sales forecasts. Or picture a finance team automating business claim approvals with conditional rules, ensuring smooth and error-free processes. And with this feature, you can do all this and more without writing a single line of code. It simplifies complex tasks and makes automation accessible to everyone.
Yes, you're right, Balaji. Now let's talk about the accessibility, our desktop and mobile apps of workflow and work. These apps ensure that you have never disconnected from productivity, even when the internet isn't available. You can create, edit, and review documents offline, complete with the comments, and track changes.
Exactly. And this is perfect for scenarios like updating safety protocols on a manufacturing floor with limited connectivity or reviewing critical reports while on a flight. These applications make sure your work continues uninterrupted no matter where you are and giving you the flexibility without any compromise.
Okay. Now let's shift our gears and talk about how Writer becomes smarter, more intuitive in 2024. We introduced AI-powered tools like smart composers to help you draft content effortlessly, whether it's a blog, an email, or a legal doc contract. To ensure originality, the built-in plagiarism checker becomes a game changer for publishers and marketers alike. Our phonetic translation features made creating bilingual or multilingual documents seamless, catering especially to diverse teams and industries. When it comes to workflow, we enhanced our document sharing with OTP protected external editing, combining security with collaboration. In the upcoming slides, we'll dive deeper into these enhancements and their real world applications.
That was perfect. And let's start with a feature that has redefined how you create content: AI powered smart composing. With the Zia AI feature, Zoho Writer becomes your personal assistant, helping you draft emails, blog posts, or even contract clauses in just a few clicks.
Yes, let's take a marketing team for instance. They can quickly generate tailored campaigns, saving hours of effort. Legal team, on the other hand, can create precise and consistent contract terms without missing a beat. It's like having an expert co-writer that ensures accuracy and creativity, all while saving your time. And with this in mind, maintaining the integrity of your content is just as important. That's why we introduced the plagiarism checker.
Couldn't have put it better, Rohit. Originality is the cornerstone of great content, which is why we introduced the plagiarism checker. This feature guarantees your work is not only high quality but also authentic.
Yes, you're right, Balaji. Publishers can use it to verify the uniqueness of the submitted manuscripts, ensuring that every piece is fresh and original. Tech companies drafting white papers can also ensure they stand out with the distinctive and credible content. The plagiarism checker empowers you to create with confidence.
And moving on, let's talk about multilingual support. With our transliteration feature, you can easily draft documents in Indian languages using phonetic typing. Just type in a Latin keyboard and Writer takes care of the rest.
This feature is transformative for government officials who need to draft bilingual policies or notices with precision. Educators creating multilingual learning materials can also now cater to diverse audience effortlessly. It's all about breaking down the language barrier and making content creation inclusive and accessible.
Next up, let's talk about workflows. We have made them more robust, allowing you to run workflows on merged documents, share them for review, and even secure access with OTP protection, which you'll be seeing in the next slide.
Yes. So now let's picture this. Sending a financial summary to a board member for approval, ensuring confidentiality and accuracy, or managing a real estate contract review where each stakeholders can collaborate seamlessly while maintaining document security. Workflow in Writer makes complex process feels effortless, secure, and collaborative.
Now let's move on to a feature designed to enhance secure collaboration: external sharing with OTP protection. Now you can share files externally with edit permissions, and the recipient must verify their access through an OTP before they can edit the document. Isn't just about sharing, it's about sharing securely. Imagine a scenario where a legal team shares a contract draft with an external client for edits. The OTP protection here ensures only authorized individuals can access and modify the document, safeguarding your sensitive details.
Let me add another example to this. Could be a creative agency working on a project proposal. They can share the draft with the clients, enable them to make edits while ensuring the integrity of the document. This feature empowers you to collaborate externally without compromising on the security or the control.
Thanks for that, Rohit. And to move on, personalization was a big theme this year, and Writer evolved to adapt to unique styles and branding needs. We introduced custom fonts to help businesses maintain brand consistency across their documents, and custom dictionaries to ensure industry-specific terminology is accurately represented, whether in legal, medical, or technical fields. Additionally, Writer became more versatile with the ability to build and integrate your own extensions, empowering businesses to tailor the platform to their specific workflows. In the next slides, we'll explore these features and how they have helped businesses stand out while staying efficient. And let's start with style, because presentation matters. With custom fonts, you can now upload and use fonts that align perfectly with your brand identity.
For instance, designers can craft visually captivative lookbooks using unique typography that stands out. Meanwhile, corporations can effortlessly maintain consistency across reports, presentations, or other official documents by sticking to the company-approved fonts.
It's all about giving you the tools to make your content not just functional, but memorable.
Yes. So next up, we have introduced custom dictionaries. Writer now adapts to the specific language of your domain, be it medical, legal, or any other specialized field.
Picture this: a legal team drafting contracts filled with industry specific terms, or a healthcare organization creating medical documentation. With the custom dictionaries feature, you avoid unnecessary corrections and ensure accuracy across the board.
Yes, you're right, Balaji. It's one more way Writer works smarter, so you don't have to second guess your terminologies.
And finally, let's unlock the true potential of Zoho Writer with the Build Your Extensions feature. This feature lets you customize Writer to fit your unique workflow requirements.
An example, retailers can automate the generation of invoices directly from the purchase orders, saving time and reducing manual errors. Or educators can create extensions to streamline grading templates for various courses.
With the public APIs and integration options, the possibilities are endless. Writer becomes not just a tool, but a tailored solution for your business.
Lastly, let's talk about the integrations, because Writer isn't just a standalone tool. It's designed to work seamlessly with platforms you already love. This year, we introduced powerful integrations with Zoho Books, Invoice, and Projects, enabling you to merge financial and project data directly into your document. Whether it's generating client-ready reports, publishing directly to platforms like WordPress, or enhancing content with pixels provide visuals, Writer extends its capability to streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration. Let's dive into these integrations and see how they make your process more efficient.
Thanks for outlining the features, Rohit. Let's talk about the seamless integration with Zoho Books, Zoho Invoice, and Zoho Projects first. With these integrations, you can now pull financial and project data directly into your Zoho Writer documents.
Yes. For instance, you can merge financial data from Zoho Books or Zoho Invoice into your client reports, allowing for a precise and a client-ready cost breakdown in a minute.
Or imagine compiling real-time project updates from Zoho Projects to generate comprehensive progress reports. It makes reporting simple, accurate, and professional, perfect for client meetings or even stakeholder reviews.
This is all about bringing the power of financial insight and real-time data into your daily workflow with just few clicks away.
That's exactly right. Moving on, now with Zoho Writer, sharing content online has never been easier. You can now publish directly to Zoho sites, Zoho Connect, and WordPress, saving time and keeping your content consistent across your platforms.
You're right. Imagine posting a blog to a WordPress, a fundraising campaign on Zoho sites, or a community event announcement on Zoho Connect, all within minimal efforts.
And here's the best part. You can now directly add high quality images from pixels into your documents without leaving the Zoho Writer interface.
Bloggers or content creators can effortlessly incorporate visually appealing images into their posts to boost engagements and storytelling. Even marketing team can enhance newsletters, email campaigns, or product brochures with attractive visuals to catch readers' attention.
It's all about making your content stand out with professional visuals while saving time and effort. With Pixels and Zoho Writer together, creative storytelling has never been this easy.
Perfect. So we are almost at the finish line, but not before giving you the sneak peek into what's coming in next year. Stay tuned for the exciting announcements.
And let's start with smart tools with better AI for better productivity. We've worked tirelessly to bring intelligence into our everyday tasks, making them faster, easier, and more accurate.
That's right. First on the list is document query. Imagine you are in a HR and you need to put all employee vacation policies from a large handbook to locate specific clauses in a contract. With document query, you don't have to scan the entire document manually. Just ask Writer and it'll deliver the information you need in a second.
Another game changer is NDA and proposal automation. Let's say you're on a legal or sales team. Drafting NDAs and proposals is routine but time consuming. With AI automation, Writer will not only create these documents for you, but also ensure they are consistent, compliant, and ready to share in minutes. No more copy pasting or formatting headaches.
And speaking of compliances, Writer will allow you to stick your organization style guide, whether it's font size, tone, or formatting rules. The AI ensures every document meets your branding and professional standards, perfect for making teams who need uniformity across campaigns or large enterprises maintaining brand consistency across departments.
Finally, for those in specialized fields, we are introducing domain-specific extensions. For example, if you're a researcher or a chemist, you'll love our molecular structure and reaction drawing tools. Picture drafting a research paper and being able to insert complex chemical reactions directly into the document without relying on third-party software.
Yes, these tools are designed not to just save time but also elevate your quality and accuracy of your work. That's AI for better productivity, helping you to achieve more with less effort.
We understand that work doesn't stop when the internet does, or when you switch devices. That's why our desktop and mobile applications are evolving to include more business essentials.
Absolutely. You'll be soon able to edit PDFs, fill forms, and even digitally sign documents, all from the convenience of your desktop or mobile device.
Picture this. You're on a site at a construction work project and need to quickly review and sign off a vendor agreement. With these new updates, you can complete the task right from your phone without needing to go back to the office.
And we are taking a step further by achieving feature parity with the web app. This means you will have access to the same robust functionality no matter which device you are using. So whether you're working from your laptop or your tablet on a flight, Writer ensures seamless productivity.
Next, let's move on to fillable forms, everyone's favorite feature. They're about to get a whole lot smarter and more versatile.
For instance, we are introducing dynamic subform entries. Imagine a job application from candidates can add multiple entries from previous work experience, all without you needing to redesign the form. It's ideal for HR and the recruitment team.
And that's not all. Conditional logic is coming to writers' forms. For example, if someone rates your service poorly, the form can automatically display follow-up questions asking for specific feedback. This is perfect for businesses that want to refine their customer experience.
And lastly, we have the multi-step form. Picture an e-commerce platform onboarding a new vendor. You can have separate section for personal information, product details, and payment agreement, creating a guided and streamlined process.
These updates make the form smarter, more responsive, and better suited to handle complex workflows. Now let's shift gears to something every user will appreciate, our enhanced UX.
Yes. So we are introducing a unified top band design that simplifies navigation, making it easier for our users to find what they need quickly. It's clean, intuitive, and optimized for both new and seasoned users.
Plus, accessibility is a key focus. This redesign ensures Writer is inclusive and easy to use for everyone. Whether it's screen reader compatibility or keyboard navigation, we are making Writer work for all.
Now moving on to the automation, which is heart of improved productivity. With webhook triggers, Writer can now integrate seamlessly into broader business process.
Here's an example. Imagine you're an event organizer managing a Google Sheet with attendee data. When a new entry is added, a webhook can trigger Writer to generate a personalized event ticket, email it to the attendee, and archive the record, all automatically.
We are also introducing support for automated reviews, approve, and sign workflows. Think about submitting a financial report for approvals. Now the document can move from reviewer to reviewer automatically, ensuring nothing gets delayed.
And with these updates, Writer doesn't just help you create documents, it transforms the way your organization handles them.
Finally, we are scaling Writer to meet the demands of your growing business.
We're increasing the document generation limits. Yes, we have heard you. You'll be able to generate 5 times more documents than before. Comment and image limits are also being raised, so collaboration is smoother than ever.
For those using the PDF editors, page and conversion limits are being expanded as well, ensuring you can handle even the large of documents without breaking a sweat.
And finally, taking automation to the next level, we are working on the new automation builder. It's a game changer for defining workflows tailored to your business needs. Here's a live demo of how this works. So you would have an additional advanced automation option right within Zoho Writer. From here, you'll get an automation builder based on a trigger. So in this specific use case, we have a trigger from Zoho Forms. So once the data is fetched from Zoho Forms, it gets merged and stored. So which will be the second step here. After which we have used a logic to fork the data on 3 conditions. So in this specific use case, it contains a bill warranty. So these are the ports available here. So the first one has documents needed, and if it contains bill, it will choose a different template. In this case, it would be a bill template. And in the second case, it would be a warranty template. And in the third case, it would be an invoice template. And all these merged data are stored based on your preference and then are combined and sent via email. To give you a better idea, so we have a different set of actions based on actions on merge, actions within the WorkDrive user interface, even creating a spreadsheet or a presentation. Additionally, you also have actions on the documents, like creating a PDF file or publishing the document or even marking the file as completed. And under sharing and collaboration, you have the option to send it via email, resume the collaboration, or even pause the collaboration. And on the content level, you have options to add a watermark, the themes, etc. So we'll be adding more actions as well. And when it comes to logic, you have the options to focus data, which we have introduced in this specific use case. And you have file, folder, and data level filters. And we also introduced wait, where a particular event after which it has to be initiated, or wait until a specified time to perform the next task, or wait based on the file event level. So we'll be introducing more and more nuances into the application using the automation builder. So that's it.
We want to take a moment to express our heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you for staying tuned throughout this webinar. Your presence, enthusiasm, and the engagement make this session even more meaningful for the entire Zoho Writer team. We hope as you're excited about the journey Zoho Writer is taking and the feature we have introduced this year, these tools are built with your needs in mind, designed to empower your workflows, improve collaboration, and streamline your process. As we step into the 2025, we encourage you to explore these features, share your feedback with us anytime, and let us know how we can continue to innovate for you. Your feedback is crucial, so please make note of the email address that is getting displayed. And also you can reach us directly on the contact lines available. This helps us to enhance our product and deliver the features and integration you want to see in Zoho Writer.
And if you have any feedback on the webinar itself, the features or how Zoho Writer can fit into your workflows better, we'd love to hear from you. So I've shared a link. Please add your suggestions here. Or if you'd like to send it via email, please share your thoughts via email. And until we meet again, let's continue to write, create, and innovate together. Take care, stay productive, and happy writing. Thank you, and bye-bye.